Carbide burrs, those compact tungsten carbide rotary tools typically associated with professional grinding and deburring, reveal their hidden potential as everyday problem solvers through innovative hacks that repurpose their precision for unconventional tasks around the home, garage, or workshop, turning potential frustrations into quick fixes without specialized equipment. Powered by standard rotary tools like Dremels or die grinders at moderate speeds, 10,000 to 15,000 RPM. These burrs excel at controlled material removal, making them ideal for DIY adaptations, where fine control prevents overdamage to delicate items. From modifying locks to repairing hardware, these hacks leverage the burr's fluted shapes, such as pointed cones for intricate work or cylindrical for broader smoothing, to address common issues like stuck mechanisms or worn fittings, often saving time and money over professional services. Safety is paramount. Always wear eye protection, gloves, and a dust mask, secure workpieces firmly, and start at low speeds to test engagement, ensuring hacks remain practical and risk-free. By narrating these adaptations step by step, we uncover how carbide burrs evolve from niche tools to versatile allies, with simple icons representing each hack to guide quick reference. Modifying locks for smoother operation or custom fits represents a clever hack for dealing with aging door hardware or security upgrades, where a carbide burr can refine tumbler alignments or keyways without disassembling the entire mechanism, restoring functionality to rusty or ill-fitting locks. Verbally walking through the adaptation. First, remove the lock cylinder from the door using a screwdriver, securing it in a soft jaw vise to avoid scratching the brass or steel housing. Inspect the keyway for burrs or wear with a flashlight, then select a fine-pointed cone burr 1/16" diameter with double-cut flutes for its precision in tight spaces. At 8,000 RPM, gently insert the burr tip into the keyway, rotating in short clockwise orbits, 0.01" depth per pass, to smooth rough edges or widen slightly for a stiff key, pausing every 10 seconds to clear metal shavings with compressed air and checking fit with the key. Limit removal to 0.005 inches total to prevent weakening the pins. Once aligned, lubricate with graphite powder, reassemble, and test the lock's action. This hack not only eases daily use, but also extends the lock's life by reducing friction that causes premature wear, transforming a sticky entryway nuisance into seamless access. Repairing hardware like drawer slides or hinge pins offers another unconventional application, where carbide burrs address binding or misalignment in metal fittings, ensuring smooth motion without full replacements. Step-by-step narration. Begin by disassembling the hardware. Remove the slide or pin from its mounting, cleaning off dirt with a wire brush to expose any corrosion or deformation. Choose a cylindrical burr, 1/4 inch head, single cut for aggressive yet controlled removal, suited to the slide's rail width, clamping the piece stably and starting at 10,000 RPM to lightly abrade high spots causing drag, using linear passes along the length, 1 to 2 inches per second, while angling the tool 15 degrees to follow the curve without gouging. Monitor progress by sliding the mating part every few passes, stopping when motion glides freely. For pins, switch to a smaller oval burr to round bent ends gently, feathering edges for reinsertion. Finish with a light oil application to prevent re-sticking. This adaptation revives old cabinetry or furniture, saving the cost of new hardware while customizing fits for non-standard installations, highlighting the burr's role in everyday restoration. Customizing keys or key blanks for duplicates or modifications, hacks into locksmith-inspired fixes, allowing precise notching or smoothing without professional tools, ideal for creating spares or adapting to worn locks. Verbal step-by-step. Secure the key blank in a vise with padded jaws to protect the blade, tracing the original key's profile with a marker for reference. Opt for a flame-shaped burr, 1/8 inch taper, double-cut flutes, for its elongated reach into notches, running at 12,000 RPM to follow the teeth pattern with shallow guided strokes, 0.02 inch depth, mimicking the original cuts by angling the burr to match the key's shear line and pausing to test insertion in the lock cylinder. Refine with finer passes using a pointed cone burr for crisp edges, ensuring tolerances under 0.01 inches to avoid jamming. Clean debris thoroughly and oil the keyway post-modification. This hack empowers quick solutions for lost spares or vehicle key tweaks, but always comply with legal limits on duplication, demonstrating the burr's finesse in turning blanks into functional duplicates. Fixing small engine parts, such as smoothing carburetor jets or throttle bodies, leverages carbide burrs for performance tweaks on lawnmowers or bikes, clearing clogs or refining bores for better fuel flow. Narrate the process. Disassemble the part, soaking in cleaner to loosen gunk, then clamp it securely. Select a ball-nosed burr, 3/16 inch, single cut for rounded internals, to navigate the jet's curve at 9,000 RPM. Inserting gently and orbiting in small circles, 0.005-inch passes, to enlarge restrictions without thinning walls, frequently flushing with air to monitor progress and avoid overheating the aluminum casting. For throttle plates, use a cylindrical burr to deburr edges linearly, blending for smooth valve action, reassemble with fresh gaskets, and test idle. This adaptation restores efficiency to aging equipment, preventing breakdowns and optimizing airflow for crisper response, showcasing the burr's utility in mechanical problem-solving. Adapting fasteners like stripping paint from bolts or customizing nuts for tight fits hacks into hardware improvisation, where burrs prepare surfaces for welding or threading without damaging threads. Step-by-step verbal guide. Clamp the fastener in a vise using a cone burr, 1/4-inch base double cut, at 11,000 RPM to taper the head for flush countersinking. Applying light radial strokes to remove paint layers, 0.01-inch depth, while preserving the shank. For nuts, a cylindrical burr smooths inner diameters in short bursts, checking thread engagement with a gauge every pass to maintain pitch integrity. Clean residues and apply anti-seize. This hack facilitates secure assemblies in DIY builds, turning mismatched parts into reliable connections. These innovative hacks with carbide burrs illuminate their role as everyday problem solvers, from lock tweaks to hardware repairs. Each adaptation narrated step by step to empower safe, effective use. By selecting the right burr shape and speed, users unlock unconventional solutions that blend precision with practicality, proving carbide burrs' adaptability far beyond traditional tasks.